People like Ashton Hall are making a huge mistake when they use this mouth tape. Sure, they're still getting the insane benefits of really good sleep, a sharper jawline, and just better facial structure, but if you pick a brand of mouth tape that's not made of silk, that's really gonna irritate your skin over time. That's why I went with this company, Snore, because the materials they use are not gonna cause any problems. Plus, this is the only brand I've found that come with 30 of these nose strips for completely free, so you'll breathe absolutely amazing at night. And don't worry, if your wife wants a set, they even come in pink. If you guys are ready for a crazy glow up this summer, then just make this small investment on yourself for a huge investment on your health in the long run. Plus, they're even on sale right now. I dropped the link below.